Sam, Emma build a grand castle. In an instant of pure magic, the sandcastle emits an ethereal glow, transforming their creation into a beacon of wonder and enchantment. The humble sandcastle metamorphoses into a breathtaking time castle, shimmering with untold enchantments. Sam and Emma gaze in wide-eyed wonder at the glowing buttons, each a gateway to a different epoch. With hearts pounding, they select the Dinosaur Age button, unleashing a powerful surge of energy that courses through the castle. As the castle trembles, Sam and Emma brace themselves for an adventure into a world ruled by giants. In a prehistoric jungle teeming with life, Sam and Emma's adventure takes a dark turn as they watch the time castle sink into the earth. A chilling realization dawns on Emma as she discovers the golden hourglass core has been robbed of its power. The time crystals are missing. In a canyon teeming with prehistoric life, a sinister velociraptor, its eyes gleaming with predatory intent, stalks Sam and Emma. In a clever act of misdirection, Sam hurls a handful of glittering pebbles, momentarily diverting the velociraptor's attention. Seizing the opportunity, Emma swiftly retrieves a time crystal, their mission taking a precarious step forward. They press onward, facing a gauntlet of prehistoric obstacles, their quest far from over amidst the lurking dangers of the canyon. Beneath the relentless sun, Sam and Emma confront an endless quicksand pit, their daunting challenge echoing in the eerie silence. A gentle triceratops emerges as a beacon of hope, its sturdy form promising a treacherous crossing. With cautious steps and hearts pounding, Sam and Emma embark on a daring ride, entrusting their fate to the ancient beast. Triumph dawns as the triceratops secures their passage, unveiling yet another time crystal amidst the shifting sands. Within the time castle, Sam and Emma wage a desperate battle against the rising tide, their every move fueled by sheer urgency. With trembling hands, they return the time crystals to the hourglass, igniting a flicker of hope against the impending deluge. The ancient mechanism sputters and roars to life, defying the encroaching water as the castle teeters on the brink of oblivion. In a blinding flash of light, the castle awakens, altering the course of fate itself. On the beach, the time castle dematerializes, leaving behind a tiny hourglass charm that pulses with arcane energy. Sam and Emma share a knowing smile, their hearts brimming with the thrill of an extraordinary adventure. The hourglass charm serves as a tangible echo of their courage and the enduring power of their friendship.